Best AI photo editing apps for Android. So if you want best AI photo editing apps for your Android, then what you need to do is just watch this video. First, you need to open up your Play Store and then go with search. So the number one app is FaceApp. This is the application. You can easily get it on your Play Store. Simply search for FaceApp, and this is the application that you're looking for. As you can see, you can install this app for free, and you will also have a 7-day free trial. This application will help you enhance your looks. You can also change your hair volume, hair color, makeup, smile, and many more. The next app on the list is Switch Lite. This app will allow you to remix your favorite shots, edit them, remove the backgrounds. It will help you make professional photos, create anime-style images, and much more. Unlike FaceApp, which I mentioned earlier, this app is completely free. You can simply install it and use the free version. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.